Hi, my name is Eric and I'm from American Academy. I'm a teacher here. And today what we want to talk about are learning tips, practical tips that will help students to increase communication, increase fluency, increase clarity of speech. And so what we're going to look at today are things that will help you immediately. Looking at this first, we have our learning tips. Okay? And these learning tips we have are first and foremost, we want to talk about flashcards. Okay? Seems a lot of students know about flashcards. Okay? Flashcards are a great way to help you to remember vocabulary and to retain vocabulary. So in this way, not only can you build vocabulary, but you can also remember vocabulary you have learned previously. Okay? Because I know in my experience a lot of students will remember a lot of words, but when it comes time to use those words, maybe in some way they have trouble using it at the necessary moment. So what we want to do is this method, talking about flashcards, you can use them and you can build a set where in this way you can repeat and you can use as needed. And we want to mention what is known as chunking. Okay? And chunking is a specific way of building vocabulary that is set up to study a specific set of topics or ideas. So for example, if you want to study business, you can have flashcards that are set up that are specifically just about business, or maybe an office. So if you work in an office, you can have consistent vocabulary for things like email, or staplers, or tape, or any office supplies that you can imagine, or typical office questions or conversations. In this way, also in sciences or in different areas of study. Okay? So for example, if you're studying about sports even, if you like to study football, or you like to study swimming, you can build vocabulary specific to this set. And also more important to that task is the idea of listening related to this topic. So when you're listening, you want to use exercises that supplement your current topic. So like I said, if you're studying business, you want to listen to different exercises that are related to business, and not only just business, the type of business that you are interested in. So if you can find, for example, office listening exercises, or if you want to study finance or economics, some kind of listening that is related to this. Okay? And in this way, not only can you practice your listening, but you can also notice pronunciation. Okay? Pronunciation of the speaker, you have the opportunity to mimic and copy what it is that they are saying, and not only the way, but also how they say it. Okay? So, when the time comes where you actually use your vocabulary, you will be able to speak more fluently and more clearly with an appropriate skill set, an appropriate vocabulary set.